did what was expected of them, and that result, that reward, was one that truly put the Heathens on the front foot. Ernest?
Yeah, I sat and thought about all the things that we've talked about in the 7 series, the tactics, running, the loop pass, that cutting the passing lane. We've talked about the chip and chase with Soki, the scrum itself and what you can do from that set piece. But I felt at the end of the day what defined the 7 series was how much effort the teams put in, but how that effort varied. You look at that play, Heathens are 12 points up on the Pirates, and it's a comfortable lead. It's the second half. All they have to do is weather the storm. But they pick up the ball off a loose pass from Alex Aturinda. Aaron Foyeth gets it. You can see Dennis Etwao communicating and say, send it to me through. And this is the fastest sprint you will ever see. Arnold Atkunda is one of the fastest guys you have on the series. Roy Chizito, one of the fastest you have on the series. Dennis Etwao, we know his middle name is Speed. But what makes the difference between those three is that Roy Chizito is the first to sort of give up on the chase of that ball. He reduces his speed from a full sprint, as you can see, to a bit of a jog just at the 22. Arnold Atkunda reaches the 5, starts jogging, but Dennis Etwao is full throttle all the way and scores the try. There will be a contest on whether the try was scored or not, but there is an assistant referee in the in-goal area. He has the best view of it and he has awarded that try. That is a reward when you're chasing lost causes. That's what made the difference in the final for Heathens against the Pirates. This is on attack. On defense, it's even more, I think, more rewarding when you chase what looks like a lost cause on defense. We'll take a look at the Rhinos against the Walukuba Barbarians. From a set piece, Moses Ali is at number 9. Ivan Bulima, who was the best player on the 7 series, picks up the ball and then runs a very good line against the Rhinos. And Moses Ali chases him from the very start up to the end, going all the way. And as Ivan Bulima, I think he relaxed a bit. He has done all the hard work. He knows that Moses Ali is following him. Maybe could have been from an offside position, but Moses Ali chases him. Davis Chimwa is beaten for pace. And look at Moses Ali. Try is almost assured, but he goes, slaps that ball a bit out of his hands. And it's a try scoring opportunity for the Barbarians denied. Had this try been scored, it would have made the difference for the Barbarians. Perhaps a comeback, because they had done the same thing against the Mongas. They had done the same thing against the Eagles on day 1. But on day 2, Moses Ali chasing a lost cause. And that's what enabled the Walukuba Barbarians, the Rhinos, to beat the Walukuba Barbarians and avenge that Kawaka Coronation 7 semi-final loss. I think those 2 moments on attack, on defense, have been some of the defining moments of the 7 series, where teams decide that we are going to play all out, chase that lost cause, and the higher the risk, the higher the reward.
Sometimes it's just a question of who wants it more, and the easiest way to quantify that is by who's willing to put their money where their mouth is. So congratulations to all the teams that had the ability to keep the chase going, even for what seemingly looked lost causes. Now, when you look back, they weren't that lost. They were waiting to be taken.